Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. Earlier, at the beginning of the Mass, I said that this Friday is traditionally called Viernes Dolores. And in some parishes, especially in the province, there is already a procession happening today with the Sorrowful Mother. And you notice also that in our sanctuary, the image of Mater Dolorosa is now displayed. Sorrow or sorrows. One of the many sources of sorrow, the sorrow that we experience, is betrayal. Betrayal. Probably many of us here had experienced being betrayed. One of the great works of Shakespeare is Julius Caesar. And on the third part of that play, there is a scene there where the conspirators killed Julius by stabbing him. And the last person who stabbed him was Brutus. When Julius Caesar saw Brutus, there were 3 words that Julius Caesar uttered before dying. Et tu, Brute, et tu, Brute, pati ba naman ikaw, Brutus? Pati ba naman ikaw? Brutus was considered a close friend of Julius Caesar, and Brutus was one of those who killed him. You know, in the first reading, Prophet Jeremiah was lamenting, all those who were my friends are on the watch for any misstep of mine. Yung mga itinuturing kong kaibigan, hinihintay na magkamali ako. I could imagine the pain in the heart of Jeremiah, people whom he considered friends are hurting him. Of course, we know the story of Jesus and Judas Iscariot. Judas Iscariot was one of the closest friends of Jesus. He belonged to the inner circle, one of the 12. One of the 12. And Judas betrayed his friend with a kiss. Kaya mga kapatid, ingat kayo sa mga humahalik sa inyo, no? Baka mga Judas yan, no? He was betrayed by a friend. But you see, even in spite of the experience of being betrayed, Jeremiah in the first reading was putting his whole trust in God. O Lord of hosts, you who test the just, who probe mind and heart, let me witness the vengeance you take on them. For to you I have entrusted my cause. So sabi ni Jeremiah, Lord, alam ko naman, hindi mo ako pababayaan. Alam ko namang hindi mo ako pababayaan. And I think that is the lesson for us here. That people, friends, may betray us, may turn against us, but never God. Never God. Maaaring talikuran tayo ng lahat ng mga kaibigan natin, maaaring ipagkanulo tayo ng lahat ng mga kaibigan natin, pero hinding-hindi ang Diyos. Hindi tayo tatalikuran ng Diyos. Kaya tamang-tama po yung ating sagot sa Salmo Responsorio. In my distress, I called upon the Lord, and He heard my voice. Mga kaibigan, mga kapatid, kung sa mga sandaling ito, sa mga panahong ito, meron kayong pinagdaraanan, nakakaranas kayo ng mga mabibigat na pagsubok, tinalikuran kayo at pinagtaksilan ng inyong kaibigan o ng inyong asawa o ng inyong magulang. Katulad ni Propeta Jeremias, sabihin natin sa Diyos, Lord, sa iyo ako nagtitiwala. Alam kong hindi mo ako iiwan. Amen.